Hi there. This is Penelope. You'll be seeing a lot of her in my Mornings with Meri. I like to set her by my Mornings with Meri journal, which is really getting full. I'll show you the page that I did for today, but somehow my phone did not record it. So I will show you the page right here. So this video is going to be really short, but I want to tell you, check back later this morning because I have another tatting treat to share with you. Yeah, I am having so much fun with these. So it will be another longer how-to video, and I want to keep my Mornings with Meri's fairly short, so I'm going to put it in a video for later this morning around 8 or 9 Central Standard Time. Travel bag. Yes, I packed a travel bag, and in it I put pens and pencils, extra ink cartridges, a plastic bag for trash. I have towels and magazines and scissors and eyeglasses and journals and a glue stick and a book to read, a cell phone, scratch paper, paint brushes. I need to put some water in there. I have my morning coffee though, so if I forget my water, I can put morning coffee in my water brush. But I haven't done that for a very long time, so I'll tuck a jar of water in there too. Here's my cell phone, some gel pens, my earbuds. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where do you think I'm going? I'm going out to the front porch. I will see you tomorrow morning.